Here we are. We put the boat inside yesterday. There are many others. Luckily I got a nice spot in a corner, so I have space around. I was pulling it out from the water last Sunday. You can see a little montage. So it will stay here till April, I guess. Usually it goes between October to Easter, and I have then basically half of October, November, December, January, February, March, roughly, to prepare the boat for the next season. And as you can tell from the mess inside here, there's already a lot of things to do. Today I want to clean up a little bit the boat because I didn't even have the time to clean it yesterday. And I will empty the inside, trying to put everything that can be stored somewhere else, so I have space for making repairs inside. So that's the plan for today. This is the first time that I actually see the mainsail open, because when I bought the boat, it was inside, and by putting up the mast, when I put it in the water the first time here, I lost the halyard from the top of the mast, so I could not raise the mainsail for a month or so. And now I just wanted to check what's the condition. think that it's in a pretty good shape. I mean, it's a little bit dirty and discolored in some areas, like here. There's something like, I think, spider shit or something on this side. And see, there's a C55 Condor 55 number 134. I don't know, but yeah, the main sail looks in a good shape. So for today I pretty much finish. I clean up the whole boat, removed everything. So the cabin now it's just there are just the cushions and a box that I filled with all the little stuff that I could find in the boat, like blocks, tools, the winch handles, spare parts, whatever. I put everything there. I collected all the lines, the all yards here, just to take them out of the boat for the moment, because I don't have time now to sort them. But the idea is that I think not all of them are in a good condition, so for the next season I need to sort them and find, maybe re-rig the whole boat with new lines, all yards and and everything that is needed. Also, I remove the ugly carpet and I emptied like maybe a liter of water that was just soaking the carpet and resting under the cockpit. Now it's clean. The cockpit was, I didn't even see what was under the carpet when I bought the boat. Yeah, so the carpet is over there drying over the trailer. I removed the sail from the boom. I clean up a little bit, and now that's the state of the boat. Later today or in the next few days, I will probably take all the cushions, put them in a dry cellar and clean up and probably wash all the bolsters. Okay, good. That's it for today.